A peaceful eviction was not in the cards.
We had an agreement that we would vacate.
If he paid you
the $950 to vacate the property.
And we get the check, they get the key. They would not drop off the check.
Then they really felt unwelcome.
He retaliated against us, put nails behind our tires. He was peeping through my daughter's window, and she's 9 years old.
Oh, this makes it more interesting.
Judge Judy.
Mr. and Mrs. Gibbs, the defendants used to be your landlords. They were the landlords for quite some time, and you left. The defendants did not return your security deposit.
Correct.
That's really what you're here for. And also there was some utility bill that you claim was very high because of a leak that they hadn't fixed.
Yes, ma'am.
How much was your security deposit?
$950.
When did you move into the property that was owned by the Allens? Month and year?
November 2017.
And when did you move out?
March of 2019.
And I gather that there was an eviction process. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
I assume that when you went to the court that dealt with the eviction, you had a hearing?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you testify?
Yes, ma'am.
And you won.
I did win.
Did you testify as to the damage that was done in the property?
We had not get possession of the property until after the hearing.
Then that's fair.
Yes.
You didn't know what the damage, if any, was. Now, do you want to show me, because the damage will determine whether or not you get your security back?
Yes, ma'am. We have
What?
pictures.
Well, as far as the damages, on the day that we went, we still had possession of the property. And the agreement for giving them possession of the property and dropping the appeal, what they agreed to do was to drop everything and damages and everything as long as they got possession back of the property.
May I see that? Is it in writing someplace?
It was a verbal agreement.
Well,
No.
explain that to me.
So they didn't have possession of the property at that time because they hadn't fulfilled their end of the agreement, and they actually went back on the agreement.
The agreement that you had, because there was some sort of problem with a water leak, water damage, you had an agreement that you would renew your lease or you would vacate
We had an agreement that we would vacate
in February
on February 15th, yes, ma'am.
if he paid you.
The $950 to vacate the property.
Was it $950 or $1,000?
It was $950.
If he gave you your security back.
It wasn't for the security deposit. It was just to give back some of the damages. The security deposit wasn't even in discussion as part of that agreement. That was so that we could get back some of the damages for a lot of the things that we lost on our property for the damages.
You mean your damages?
Yes, our damages.
What kind of damages as a result of the water?
There was a flood in the house. It damaged a lot of our clothing, a lot of our property. It damaged my son's brand new birthday party gifts. As a result,
Okay, so he said in this agreement that you had during the eviction process, during the court process,
yes, ma'am.
pay attention, you're not paying attention, that they would give you $950 if you moved out by February 15th.
Your Honor, what it was, there was an agreement between our two attorneys. And the agreement was for them to drop off a check at their attorney's office and us to drop off the key, and we get the check, they get the key. They refused to drop the check off at their attorney's office. We went up there 2 to 3 times to drop the key off. They would not drop off the check.
And the attorney told us,
Don't tell me what the attorney told you. Now, if I, Mr. Allen, had your permission to call your attorney, because you would have to give me your permission to breach attorney-client privilege, and I'm sure you would do that, would your attorney tell me that there was an agreement between the two lawyers, as outlined by Mrs. Gibbs, that in exchange for $950, they would deliver the keys to the house?
Our agreement was.
Your agreement, your wife is saying yes.
Our agreement was for $950. They would deliver the keys
Right.
after
So
vacating
just a
the
second.
premise.
Just a second. For $950, they would deliver the keys.
Yes.
Did you ever deliver a check for $950 to your attorney?
I never did.
That-
They never did vacate.
No. They're not going to vacate until they get their check. Listen to me, Mr. Allen. This is a very easy thing. You give your attorney a check for $950. You say, hold on to this check until the Gibbs hand you the keys to the house. When they hand you the keys to the house, give them the check. Do you understand? Do you understand what I'm saying to you?
I understand.
Did you ever give your attorney a check for $950 and say, hold it until they bring you the keys?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. So your counterclaim's dismissed, and they get their security deposit back, $950. That's it. We're done.